Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add a favorite to your Gmail account. First of all, you have to go to the web browser, then type in gmail.com. Once you have done that, you will want to find the email you want to favorite. I want to favorite this Duolingo email. Just press on the star. Once you have pressed on the star, want to hover over to the email and then you can see it. Just press on add to contact. It should pop up when you put your mouse on here. If you want to make it even more important, you can press on the email to the three dots more and then press mark as important. And for the final, you can press on the more and then filter messages like these. Then you add this, create filter, and you press on start it and any other thing you want. Never send to spam.